fire! Dahil meron tayong dalawang bagong modelo. I-compare lang natin si Stellar Base versus Stellar Max. Meron lang tayong 4 na differences sa dalawang unit na to. Number 1 is yung battery. Mas malaki yung battery ng Max versus sa Base. Yung Max natin, meron tayong 25 Ah. Meron naman tayong 15 Ah dito sa Nami Stellar Base natin. So yung Max can run up to 80 kilometers per full charge. Ito naman Base, 50 kilometers per full charge. Next natin is number of motors and wattage ng motor. So itong si Max natin, dual hub, while si Base natin, single hub. Si Max natin, meron tayong total power of 5,040 watts peak wattage that can run up to 60 kph. While ito naman si Base, meron tayong isa lang motor, 2,520 watts that can run up to 50 kph. Next natin is yung weight. Kung gusto nyo na mas magaan, si Base pipiliin nyo. Meron tong weight na 25 kilos lang. Si Max is 30 kilos. So, mas mabigat. Then lastly, brake system. Itong si Base natin, mechanical disc brakes. While itong sa Max natin, hydraulic oil brakes, kaya mas malakas. So, nasa inyo na kung sino pipiliin nyo. Yung mas mura or yung mas mahal. I'll be away, darling.